Today I'm going to show you how to make a eucalyptus shower steamer using eucalyptus I grew right here in my garden. And if you're thinking I could never grow that, I don't have a greenhouse, fear not. My greenhouse actually has windows completely busted out from my dog jumping through them. So it's not heated at all, and this eucalyptus has survived several years. My first step is to cut stems at about the length that I want my steamer to be. It doesn't really matter what length, but eucalyptus like a good hard cut back in the winter anyway, so this is the perfect time to cut them. I've never harvested eucalyptus seeds, but this is what seed pods would look like from a baby blue eucalyptus tree. Maybe I'll save some of these and give it a try and update you guys in a video. If you're not quite ready to hang your eucalyptus yet, maybe you're gifting it to someone, go ahead and just keep it in water until you're ready, and that will keep it fresh and fragrant. Once you're ready, it's time to wrap it with a rubber band. You just gather the stems up and find your most hideous rubber band like this yellow one. It doesn't matter what color, we're gonna cover it up. What I like to do is put the rubber band around some of the stems, and then I pull that tight and I wrap it around all of the stems. That makes it easier than trying to fit it around all the leaves and everything. I don't know. It's just how I do it. Once that's in place, you will see that it's not looking too good, but you will trust the process because we're gonna wrap it with twine. Get a very long string, I don't know, maybe 4 feet long, and snip it when you get there. There we go. I lay the rubber band right around the 2/3 mark of the twine. So one side is going to be a bit longer than the other side. Once it's around there, I tie a knot. Try not to tangle up all of the twine. And then you take the longer of the two sides and you're going to wrap that side around over and over again to cover up that rubber band. Once you've covered the entire rubber band, start wrapping back up toward the top, and you're gonna tie another knot with the other string that's been laying there. Actually, make that a double knot for safety. And that's it. Now this baby is ready to hang in the shower. You'll want to hang it out of the direct stream of water, and right here I was too lazy to go get my phone stand, so I'm trying to show you with one arm holding the phone and one arm holding the steamer, but you can see it's simple, it's beautiful, it will smell wonderful when the steam releases the scent, and if you need a little extra burst of yummy goodness, you can always crush up a leaf while you're in the shower. Let me know what you'd like to see next.